information is everywhere, so like it's not like so much valuable, like people pay for that information, like we can get on the internet everywhere. So what is valuable, like what is the thing like people want to work with you, like as a business owner, as a brand, or what makes you stand out, not just sharing information or like general content. When it comes about social media content, the difference between a one content, like how to practice self-care. Another example, here's my 5 tips on how to do practice self-care. So like what is the difference between both of that? On the another one, like 5 tips of self-care, you can ask with ChatGPT, tell me the 5 tips, like how can I do self-care. You can find anywhere, but when you test like how I do that, you adding your personality and like as an authority, no one can copy or paste your thing, your story, your uniqueness, or your behavior. That's why in every like I always used to tell my clients, or like if you want, like if we work together, like take inspiration from other creators, from other people, but make sure you add your personal style, but make sure like you add your personal stuffs, like no one can copy your personal experience, your stories, that you can mix up on your content creation, and it makes you stand out. No matter like what, like if you started your business 6 months ago, 1 year ago, does not matter.